Oh, this is pretty crazy. Snowstorm hits the southeast. Tractor trailer trucks are pulled off to the side of the road. Only place that's open around here is the Home Depot in Phenix City, Alabama. Not a McDonald's, Walmart, not even the IHOP's open. Everything's closed. First it came as ice storm, and then it became a snowstorm. Figure there's at least 2 to 4 inches of snow on the ground. No one can make it up at the hill in front of me. All the tractor trailer trucks are all pulled off. Guess they're smarter than most. Just simply amazing. This is global warming at its best. There's the Home Depot. Wow, look at all these tractor trailers. No one's moving anywhere. They got the road blocked off up ahead. The hills are too slick. All right. At least the Home Depot's open. We're just south of Auburn, Alabama. You can call it black ice or you can just call it ice, but these roads are just sheeted, covered. Guess all the tractor trailers decided to park here for the day.